Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup diet, only way. Chop onions, carrots, celery, and garlic finely and sauté briefly in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 6 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and your chopped vegetables. Simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes until tender, then season with salt sparingly, black pepper, and fresh parsley before serving warm. Select vegetables that maximize nutrition and keep calories steady by balancing leafy greens, cruciferous types, and a few root vegetables. Use 2 to 3 cups total of mixed vegetables per pot and rotate choices for variety. Mushrooms add umami and volume, while bell peppers boost vitamin C. Aim for bright colors to ensure diverse nutrients and satisfying texture without excess calories or heavy creams that undermine the diet goal. Maintain a gentle simmer to protect nutrients and texture while extracting flavor into the broth. Reserve a portion of cooked vegetables and pulse briefly in a blender to create a creamy body without dairy or thickeners. Use measuring cups to portion soups into 1-to-1. 5-cup servings so you can track daily intake and pair with lean protein or whole grains for balanced meals that support energy and satiety throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.